Hey YouTubers, I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible, so no intros, no all them good stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna be talking about capitalism, alright, so, and the reason why I'm doing this is because there's not a lot of information out there, and if there is, you'll have to read so much stuff, so that's why I'm talking really fast, and I'm sorry about the voice quality and all the qualities and all that stuff, so hopefully I can make this in 5 minutes, because usually this takes an hour, and I've been recording this like multiple times, so here we go. So you will need a couple of mods in here, and all you do is just go to workshop, and then you go to the arc thing, and then you type in the mod, and you will type in capitalism. See if I can do it for you real quick. Usually this comes up in the next page for me, I don't know why. So here we are, and then you type in here capitalism. Boom, you have to add all these mods into your server because it will make it more easier. But so what you want to do is type in this code right here. There's going to be like a long digit number code. You put that into your server, which is right here. This number right here, put it there, make sure you have your comma, and you're good to go. And then I'm sure you know how to add mods into your server. If not, then that's what you'll need to look at. And then there's just another thing that you'll have to put your number into, blah blah. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So once you have all that there, you're going to have to go to your spawn code items. This is where you get to this website. Hopefully, yep, it loads on perfect. That's what you will need. And from here you can able to customize. So keep this in capitalism, and we're going to go from the top to the bottom, and you can add all of these items to your server to just play around with it. I'm not going to do it on this video. You just click on the path instead of the name, because if you click and copy the name and you come over here to spawn it, it's only going to give you the name, and it's not going to give you anything. So you want to come back here and click on the path, and you copy the path, and then you'll be able to spawn in that item. So all of these items are spawnable as long as you click on the game path, not anything else. So let's go to the next one, prop table, and you just go through here, and I'll just show you some basic stuff that people don't even talk about it. So this door dispensary is really simple to use. You just attach it, you spawn it in, attach it, and then you can have people pay money to get into doors. You can have any doors you want, so that's pretty cool. Don't forget about this mod, or this item. And then here's your female and male characters. You can customize them, you can customize their length and body's width and all that. So research table is the same thing as research table that you normally get, but instead of paying with items like resources, you are actually paying with gold. So the more gold you put, the more chance of you getting the good stuff. Admin table, I'm not sure about that, but you can always spawn all these items in. I'm gonna make this video really quick. NPC trader does the same thing. You just as an admin, you want to sit here all day, just copy and paste in all these links, adding it, customizing, and it's gonna look something like this. Right here. So this is the way I did it. This is the sell, means everybody get to sell all the items here. This is the tables. I just made it simple, and then I have to get rid of this. This was just another example I was showing you guys, but I had to remake this video multiple times. And then this is the buy section, which is the female section, and you can buy all these products and stuff, and you can modify how they look and all that good stuff. And yeah, that's how you do that. So what's next on the list? Oh, this one right here, custom table. Wow, I did this so many times to the point where I remember everything. So this is the custom table, and let's say there's stuff that you cannot sell just through the normal table, like eggs and stuff. All those things you can sell, but you wanted to do custom table, like selling level 5 saddles or stuff like that. This is level 5 saddles, you know. You can do that, or if you want to sell color dye, you can sell everything in your custom table. This is custom buy, meaning that people can buy it, and then there's a custom sell, means that people can sell stuff to it. And this is just random stuff, and then you can make it into kibble. This is kibble. and it's really easy to put all this. It just takes time. It's time consuming. It took me an hour to modify all the items. You just come here, copy this link, and then paste it in here. Cheat give item this 111 or 0, and so on and so forth. So you do that with the kibble, and then you know, you can create a one with weapons, all the weapons in a game, and just charge the crap out of them. They're level 5, so that's why I'm willing to put so much work on them, because it's level 5. It's not like people can, you know, easily get them. Now, if they can easily get them, well, why the hell do they want to buy it from the shop? So anyway, ammo, you know, I can put all the ammo in here too, and so on and so forth. So what's next? There's so much information. Let's see. Oh, next, here we go. Player table, player to player trader. There's Ingrams at level 55, and people can trade with other people, so that's pretty cool. That's what I wanted to kind of keep it at, make everything expensive so that people will have to trade with other people. So here's all the stuff, and keep in mind whoever puts the table on is the owner. They can't change it. Only the admins can change it. What else? And then there's a bounty hunter, which I haven't played around with, and all that other stuff. So that's there. So keep that in mind. Let's see if we can get this fast. Oh, there's one more thing in FAQ. Like if you want to know how to change the prices of the items for the carrots and materials and eggs and stuff, you see how can I adjust the price. You see, this is the reason why I made this video, is because they don't explain that much. They say take a look at the discussion area of each mod. Well, then you have to be like, oh, it's common sense, maybe it's currency, so you have to click on all of these buttons and you just don't know where it's at. But I will show you where it's at. It's an NPC trader. You just go to the NPC trader and then go to admin and settings. I did this video so many times to the point where it's just so annoying. Admin and settings, server settings. It might seem like this is just some type of weird but anyway, you just click on there, and then you type this name in there first into your configuration file of game user settings, not the game INN, and it explains you all the information there as well. You see it says game user settings below, tag, and then in here you just copy and paste all these items, keep them in order, and then after that sell, keep them in order, and then you can modify the items, and I'll show you the fastest way to modify the items. So like let's say in here you wanted to sell a black pearl for 1. If you put 1, that means that you're selling 1 item for 1 gold. If you put 10, that means you're selling 1 item for 10 gold. So equals 0.5 means you're selling 2 items for 1 gold. If you put it to 2, that means you're selling 5 items for 1 gold. If you put it to 1, that means you're selling 10 items for 1 gold. And then 0.1, that is 100 items for 1 gold. 0, that is 1,000 items for gold, and so on and so forth. And how would you know that? Because we have this beautiful thing that is called calculator, and in here this is the math that comes in. So let's say you want to sell something for 25 you want to sell 25 items for 1 gold. You do 1 divided by 25, and you got yourself this number 0.04. That's what you will type in if you want to sell something for $99, or I meant to say 99 items for 1 gold. You just go 1 divided by 99, and this is the number you will have to type in. Alright, sounds good. So that's explanatory. Oh, one more thing before I go, I want to show you this beautiful thing. Instead of getting another mod that will say that you will have to save all this, so people don't destroy all of this. So you will just customize this. There is activation, light fire, disable. You can light this fire up, and you can change its color to any color you want, or you can make it disco, which is pretty cool. And also, if you go to atom settings, you can change all of this stuff. The border, keep in mind the radius is not what you think. I thought it was like 100 meters, but it's not. It's only this much. So make sure you have accommodated for everything you need. So anyways, and this is called what is it called? Market Iron Torch, and you would find that in here somewhere. You just have to play around with this stuff here. I'm not sure where. It's probably in props. Somewhere in props. Probably, I'm not sure. Right here. Thank God I found one. Alright, so market iron torch. Yep, there it is. So hopefully this video helped you understand. All you have to do is just put in the mod and then put a, buy and sell items, and then you just come here and just spawn all these garbage in using the path. Don't use a name. Just click on path, stuff like that. And you should be good to go, and you can add them all up. Enjoy. Hopefully this helped. Bye.